As Kelly mentioned just a moment ago, gusty winds could create dangerous conditions today, like downed trees, power outages. NBC4's Lauren Coronado is live in Porter Ranch, where we could soon see those strong gusts. Lauren, good morning.
Adrian, good morning. You know what? Earlier in the morning, we actually saw windier weather. It looks like we're getting a break right now, but we do have a slight breeze. You can see just behind me, the trees here swaying ever so slightly, but we are getting those random gusts. But much of SoCal, they already started to feel the impacts last night. Check out Valley Village. Tree branches and street signs swaying in the wind. Always a good reminder to secure loose items like patio furniture, trash cans, decorations. Be aware of the chance for tree limbs to be blown down or down power lines. Plus, with the recent rain and saturated soils, there is an increase for downed trees. You might want to park your car away from trees and power lines. Power outages could happen too. You're advised to fully charge your electronics like your cell phone. Now let's get a quick look at the high desert. Strong winds picked up last night in Hesperia. I checked in with Kelly this morning. She tells me those in the mountains, foothills, wind-prone communities could see gusts up to 65 miles per hour. Back out here live, just a little bit of a breeze. We know that winds will increase throughout the morning. Of course, we'll keep you posted with another live look a little bit closer to 6:55, and stay safe on the roads as well. You're going to want to be careful if you're driving a high-profile vehicle, or even if you're driving next to one too. We'll see you at 6:55. Reporting live here in Porter Ranch, I'm Lauren Coronado for Today in LA.
All right, Lauren, thank you for that. And a good resource to have during these winds is our free NBCLA app. We're going to pinpoint the winds in your neighborhood, and you can get customized weather alerts.